Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome as well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious moimoi using very minimal ingredients but still absolutely delicious. So first you're going to soak some beans in water, then you're going to put it in a blender so that we can pulse it to remove the skin. But if you don't have a blender, you can just use a mortar and pestle, and then you just lightly pound it so that it would remove the skin. So this is me just doing the pulsing. You would notice that I'm going to be using pulse because we don't want to blend the beans, we just want to remove the skin. So you just press on the pulse on the blender from time to time, a little, little bits, until you have the skin removed. Then you're going to transfer this to a clean bowl, and then we're going to start the washing process. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. If you haven't liked our video, just take a moment to like the video. You can drop a comment, you can share the video as well so more people can get to see this recipe. So you're going to add some water into the bowl of beans, and the idea is the more water, it will enable the skin to float. So you're going to continue to sieve it out, just continue to wash it like you'd see me doing in the video until we're totally done cleaning the beans, and the skin is separated to one side and the beans is on the other side. Okay, so once that is done and your beans looks this way, you know that we're done. Then we're going to boil some eggs. While that is boiling, we're going to start to get all of our ingredients ready. You're going to go in with some onions, go in with some tatashe, you're going to add some shombo or chili pepper, you're going to go with some atarado or scotch bonnet, add some ginger because this helps with the flavor, and a little bit of garlic just to help you build the flavor for your moimoi. Like I said, this is very basic moimoi recipe that even a beginner, or if you just don't want to do too much but you want to have tasty moimoi, then this is definitely how you would want to go about it. So we're using our blender, our power blender, to blend this into a very smooth paste, and then we're going to transfer it into a bowl. I divided it into portions so that I don't overwork the blender, and then we're just going to repeat the process all over again. And once that is done, you're just going to rinse the blender, pour it, and then we're going to start to season our moimoi batter. So you're going to go in with some seasoning cubes, you're going to go in with some crayfish, you're going to add some salt taste, you're going to also add vegetable oil. Don't worry about the detailed measurements of the exact recipe and everything that I've added. I'll drop it in the description box so you can always make reference to it when you're making yours. Then you're going to go in with some fish. You can use sardines, you can use titus, whatever it is that you have. You can also go in with some spring onions. Now this is totally optional, but I'd advise that you try it out. You just might love it. Then you're going to mix this, and you're just going to get your clean containers. So you can see that I'm using takeaways because DIY, nothing is waste. So you're just going to put this turn the batter into the bowls like you can see me doing, and then you remember our boiled eggs. By now it's ready. You're going to remove the covering of the eggs, you're going to peel it off, and then you're going to cut them and just use it to drop them at the top of the moimoi like you can see me doing in the video. And you're just going to do that, and then you're going to cover up the bowls that we have put the moimoi inside, and we're going to put all of this into a big pot, and we're going to allow that to steam and cook until it is properly done. So this is just me arranging all of the moimoi, and the remaining batter, I'm going to show you another way that you can tie them up using a nylon. So you're just going to open the nylon like you can see me doing in the video. Just put your hands under and over it like that, and then you're going to fetch the remaining moimoi batter, and you're just going to pour that carefully into the leather like you can see in the video, and then you're going to tie it up and you'd also add that into the pot so that it would cook together with the remaining moimoi. So whether you have the plastic bowls or you have a ramekin, that is fine, but if you don't have all of those fancy pouches, you can definitely use this method. You can use your takeaway like you have seen me doing, and you can also use a nylon like I've shown you how to. So I'm just going to do all that for the remaining Okay, so after arranging moi into the pot like you can see in the video, then you're going to cover it up with a leather, or you can use foil paper. This is just to help trap the heat even more so that the moi cooks through and through and without, you know, raw insides and all of that. And once the moi is ready, after a couple of minutes, about 30 to 45 minutes, then you can see that your moimoi is ready. But if for some reason you feel like the moimoi is not done, you can increase the cooking time, and just to ensure that your moimoi is done. And you can see how beautiful this moimoi looks. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't, like our video, share and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I look forward to your feedback, and I'll see you in the next post. Thanks for watching. Bye.